As Christians in Nigeria join their counterparts across the globe to celebrate Christmas, they have been charged to pray for peace and unity to reign in the country. This came up during a church service to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ in Kaduna State. Plus TV correspondent Habila Dorofai's report is presented from our studios.
Christian faithful converged in this church to celebrate the birth of the Savior with songs of praises. The atmosphere was colorful, full of joy and restoration of hope for Nigeria. In his Christmas message, pastor of the Faith Power Ministry International, Kaduna, Joe Adejo, says peace is the panacea to nation building, noting that it can restore the glory of the nation. Adejo enjoined Christians to see the season of Christmas as a time for sober reflection and rededication to the service of God and humanity.
The head of your family, love your family. If you are a chief executive, love the people. If you are a governor, love the people equally, just like God, because we are created in the image of God. God does not segregate, so we are not to segregate.
Some of the worshippers expressed delight to celebrate Christmas, saying that Nigerians need peaceful coexistence and a stable environment. They urged the leaders and government to provide enabling environment for citizens and grassroots community.
Seeing today gives us more courage to pray for peace and stability in our country, and most especially in the forthcoming election. We pray that God will help us to choose a leader that will take Nigeria and Nigerians to the promised land.
To be patient, for us to have hope, for us to have faith, and to believe in God that there is no impossibility in dictionary of God.
Our leaders should learn to go into the grassroots, to meet the poor man there, the man there in the village, to know his or her problem and try to help them.
Children were not left out in the service. Some of them say Christmas provides an avenue to be with friends and family while praying for a good leader for the nation.
Christmas is a very fun celebration to enjoy.
I feel like celebrating with my family and friends.
The faithful intensified prayers for peace and stability for the nation, insisting that tolerant and peaceful coexistence among the citizenry will bring the current challenges in the country to an end.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.